Good morning, student. I Kailash Kunal from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapith, Mount Abu. Student, today we are discussing again about the straight line. Okay, but starting the straight line, it is a consider on the general form. General form of straight line. That's the general form. The general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There is a general form of straight line. Okay. First of all, this general form we convert into slope intercept form. Second one, intercept form, and third one is normal form. Okay. So first one, we convert this form into slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. And what is the slope intercept form? Suppose our equation is given to you, ax plus by equal to 0. So first one, by, alone the by, transfer the by in the another side and ax minus c on the another side. Okay, so by equal to minus x minus c. So y equal to minus a upon b into x plus minus c upon b. Suppose this one is equation number first. Now if we compare equation first by y equal to mx plus c, then we get m equal to minus a upon b and the capital C. So intercept is minus c equal to minus capital C upon b. Okay, so this one, the general form converted into the slope intercept form. So y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, now the second form is only intercept form. Only intercept form. The intercept form, suppose the equation is given to you, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the intercept form, before they start converting the intercept form, first of all we transferred a c into the right side, so it is become minus c. So because put in whole equation divided by minus c. If we divide it by minus c in the whole equation, then we get minus a upon c into x plus minus b upon c into y equal to 1. So because of that we are converting into intercept form. So we can write as x upon minus c upon a plus y upon minus c upon b equal to 1. Now if we compare again equation first with x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. X upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Now we get a equal to minus c upon a and b equal to minus c upon b. So the intercept are minus c upon a and minus c upon b. So that's one is equation is converted into the intercept form. Last one, the equation is converted into normal form. Which form is normal form? Okay, so the equation is given to you, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. But we know that the normal equation of line x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. So we can write as equal to minus c. So similar, both equations are similar. Both are similar. If both equations are similar, so we can write as a upon cos omega, b upon sin omega, and minus c upon p. Okay, so here cos omega equal to ap upon minus c, and sin omega equal to bp upon minus c. Is it clear? Because of that, we know that cos square omega plus sin square omega equal to 1. So it is equal to ap upon minus c to the whole square and bp upon minus c to the again whole square. So it is equal to 1. So here we get p square is equal to c square upon a square plus b square. Now if we get p equal to c upon under root of a square plus b square. C upon under root of a square plus b square. Because of that, c never be negative. It is a distance from origin to a normal. So we can write as a positive. If we put all the values of p value at here, then we get cos omega. That is plus minus there will be c upon a upon under root of a square plus b square, and sin omega is equal to plus minus b upon under root of a square plus b square. Okay, so if we put all the values in that form, cos omega and sin omega we put in that equation, so we get the equation is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. Okay, I hope you understood this all equation conversion into general form into the related form. So I hope you all the equations clearly. Okay, thank you.